Ever imagined having a secret power? A power to read minds, sense emotions, and guide anyone's decisions without saying a single word. Imagine your boss, your friend, even your crush, unknowingly dancing to the rhythm of your silent influence. This isn't magic. This is psychology. The same psychology used by master manipulators, powerful leaders, and magnetic influencers. But remember, this knowledge is for education only. Once you understand these dark tricks, you'll never see people the same way again. Trick number 1, the reverse trap. Humans crave what's forbidden. Tell someone, don't look back, and they instantly turn. That's the reverse trap, a hidden command disguised as resistance. Say to a friend, forget it, you probably can't handle it anyway. Their ego stings, and they rush to prove you wrong. You didn't push them. You simply planted the idea. This is the power of reverse psychology. Control without force, influence without effort, but use it wisely, because this one can control minds without them ever realizing it. Trick number 2, the master of choice. And people think they're choosing freely. They're not. They're choosing from the options you designed. Want to hang out with someone? Instead of saying, let's go out, say Pizza Hut or Domino's. 2 options, 1 outcome, they're with you. This is the illusion of freedom. Politicians use it. Marketers use it. Buy 1, get 1 free. Buy 2, get 50% off. You still buy, but feel like you decided. Control the options, and you control the decision. Trick number 3, the guilty trap. Guilt bends people faster than pressure ever can. A friend keeps ignoring your plans? Don't say, you never make time for me. Instead say, it's okay, if I really mattered, you'd find the time. That simple line triggers guilt, and guilt triggers action. They'll call, they'll explain, they'll change, not because you forced them, but because they feel they disappointed you. That's the guilty trap. Soft words, powerful control. Trick number 4, the emotional hijack. Humans don't decide through logic. They decide through emotion. Politicians, marketers, and influencers know this well. They don't focus on facts. They trigger fear, pride, anger, or love. Once emotion takes over, logic shuts down. That's the emotional hijack. You don't convince the mind, you move the heart. If you can control someone's emotions, you already control their decisions. Trick number 5, the power of silence. Silence is one of the strongest psychological weapons. When someone yells and you say nothing, your silence speaks louder than words. It creates discomfort. It forces their mind to overthink, to fill in the blanks. Want the truth from someone? Say, I know everything, and then stay silent. The longer the silence lasts, the more pressure they feel to confess. In an argument, don't raise your voice. Stay calm, look into their eyes, and let them crumble under their own words. The one who talks less controls more. Silence is presence, and presence is power. Master these 5 dark psychology tricks, and you'll understand how people truly think and act. But never use them to hurt or manipulate others. Use them to protect yourself and to understand how influence works. If this gave you a new way to see the world, subscribe for more powerful psychology content. Now here's a challenge for you. Use one of these tricks in the next 7 days. Notice how people react, how their minds respond. Tell me in the comments, what scares you more, being completely honest, or living a life where you always have to hide behind a mask? Your mind, your power, your silence. Protect them.